Hello friends, today we are going to learn about conditional probability. In exercise 1.4, most of the examples are given of conditional probability. So before we start our exercise 1.4, let's we have the knowledge about the conditional probabilities here. Suppose U is a finite sample space and A and B are any two events in it. The probability of occurrence of event B under the condition that A occurs is called the condition probability. It is denoted by B upon A. Formula P of B upon A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. So suppose U is a finite sample space. Finite sample space means the sample space of random experiments are limited, means countable. You can easily count it. That is finite sample space. And A and B are the two events of the sample space U. तो A और B U के कोई दो इवेंट हैं. The probability of occurrence of event B, अगर event B है वो डिपेंडेड है अंडर द occurrence of event A. मतलब इवेंट बी की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो इवेंट ए पर डिपेंडेड है. मतलब कंडीशन होगी, जैसे इस साल अच्छी बारिश होगी तो फसल भी अच्छी होगी. सो हियर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट और राइस इज डिपेंडेड ऑन रेनफॉल. So some of the events are dependent on some of the events. If you scored 85% in 12th board, then you are eligible for CA foundation. So your CA foundation is dependent on your 12th nice percentage, more than 85%. That is called conditional probability. अगर एक इवेंट हो रहा है उसकी कंडीशन पर दूसरा इवेंट होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो ये कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है. अगर आप पढ़ाई ज़्यादा करोगे तो आपके परसेंटेज अच्छे आएंगे. सो योर परसेंटेज इज डिपेंडेड ऑन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू स्पेंड बिहाइंड योर स्टडी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. अगर इवेंट बी की प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो इवेंट ए पे डिपेंडेड है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. हियर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ इवेंट बी अंडर द कंडीशन दैट ए अकर्स इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो कई बार ऐसे कंडीशन अप्लाई होती है और आपको कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी सॉल्व करना है. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ B अपॉन A इज इक्वल टू P ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B अपॉन P ऑफ A. Similarly, if the occurrence of event A under the condition that event B occurs is denoted by A upon B, formula A upon B is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of B. अगर इवेंट A है उसकी जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है अंडर द कंडीशन ऑफ इवेंट B, अगर इवेंट B होगा तो ही इवेंट A की प्रोबेबिलिटी मिल सके, दैट इज कॉल्ड A अपॉन B. दैट इज P of A intersection B अपॉन P of B. तो ये कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है. इसमें आपको इफ एंड देन वर्ड दिख जाएगा या कंडीशन वर्ड दिखा होगा, क्योंकि एग्जाम में आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये लॉ ऑफ एडिशन है या कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है। अगर लॉ ऑफ एडिशन है तो और वर्ड होगा, एटलीस्ट वन वर्ड होगा, यहाँ पर इफ एंड देन वन होगा या कंडीशन वर्ड पर्टिकुलर लिखा होगा। तो आपको ये देखना है कि फर्स्ट कौन सा इवेंट हो रहा है और उसकी कंडीशन पे कौन सा इवेंट हो रहा है, वो आपको इजीली फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा। नाउ इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स, सपोज A and B are any two events in a finite sample space U. If the probability of occurrence of event A does not change due to occurrence of event B, then the events A and B are called independent events. Formula: P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Suppose A and B are the sample space of finite. A and B are the events of finite sample space U. इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ कि दो इवेंट इंडिपेंडेंट है, इवेंट ए से इवेंट बी में कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा। जैसे टू डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको एग्जाम्पल दिया तो ए के जो आंसर आएगा उससे बी के आंसर में कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट। जैसे आप टू कॉइन टॉस करते हो, टू कॉइन टॉस्ड टुगेदर, तो फर्स्ट कॉइन पर क्या मिलेगा उससे सेकंड कॉइन की प्रोबेबिलिटी में कुछ फर्क नहीं होगा, दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट। अगर आपके पास टू डाइस है और आप टॉस करते हो तो फर्स्ट डाइस की प्रोबेबिलिटी से सेकंड डाइस की प्रोबेबिलिटी में कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, दैट इज कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी। और उसके अंदर इंडिपेंडेंट भी होगा, क्योंकि इंडिपेंडेंट जब इवेंट होगा तब कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको लेनी पड़ेगी। तो if the probability of occurrence of event A does not change due to occurrence of event B, तो इवेंट ए की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है उससे इवेंट बी की प्रोबेबिलिटी में कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट। जैसे रोहित शर्मा एंड विराट कोहली, टू डिफरेंट प्लेयर, विराट कोहली सेंचुरी करेगा, उससे रोहित शर्मा सेंचुरी करे या 50 करे उसकी अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि दो डिफरेंट बैट्समैन हैं एंड बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट। तो विराट कोहली की जो सेंचुरी है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी से रोहित शर्मा की जो सेंचुरी है उस पर कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि दो डिफरेंट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स। एंड व्हेनेवर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स इज गिवन, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Exercise 1.4, example number first. There are two children in a family. If the first child is a girl, then find the probability that both the children in the family are girls. So there are two children in a family. Now if any family is having two children, what are the sample space of this random experiment? So if any family having two children, so there are four possibilities, there are four chances. First, both children are boys. First child is a boy, second child is a girl. Third chance is both the children are girls, and first child is a girl and second child is a boy. अगर किसी फैमिली के अंदर दो चिल्ड्रन हैं तो फोर पॉसिबिलिटी है, बोथ आर बॉयज, बी बी, बॉयज एंड देन गर्ल्स, बी जी। Both are girls, GG. First girl and second boy is GB. So here. A family having two children is selected. Sample space of random experiment U. Both are boys, BB, BG, GB, GG. So n is equal to 4. Now look here the condition, if and then word is given. If the first child is a girl, so we take as an event A. Event A. First child is a girl. Sample space favorable outcomes of event A. So here we have to find that first child is a girl. In GB first child is a girl. In GG first child is a girl. So there are two events. First child is a girl. So GB and GG. So M is equal to 2. So probability of event A, M upon N, that is 2 by 4. If the first child is a girl, then find the probability that both the children in the family are girls. So first child girl है तो दोनों चिल्ड्रन गर्ल्स हैं, तो कंडीशन है आपके पास इफ एंड देन वर्ड्स इज गिवन. सो वी टेक इवेंट बी. Both childrens are girl. Favorable outcomes of event B. N is equal to both are girls. GG, that is 1. So probability of event B, that is M upon N, that is 1 by 4. Now we have to look at now anything common between A and B. In event A, GG is given, and event B also GG is given. So GG, that is common between A and B. So event A and event B both occurs together, that is called A intersection B. अगर A और B के अंदर कुछ भी अगर कॉमन है तो A इंटरसेक्शन B होगा. यहाँ पे G B और G G है, यहाँ पे G G. So G G is a common between A and B, that is called A intersection B. Event A intersection B. First child is a girl and both children are girl. So favorable outcomes, that is GG. So P of A intersection B is equal to M upon N, that is 1/4. अब आपको ये देखना है कि कौन सी कंडीशन पे कौन सा इवेंट हो रहा है। अब कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे फाइंड करते, देखो, if the first child is a girl, first child is a girl, so first child is a girl means event A, then find the probability of both the children in the family are girls, then both children are girls। पहले इवेंट ए हुआ, देन इवेंट बी हुआ, मतलब इवेंट बी है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी इवेंट ए पर डिपेंडेड है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इवेंट ए हुआ। क्योंकि किसी फैमिली के अंदर फर्स्ट चाइल्ड गर्ल होगी तो ही दोनों चिल्ड्रन गर्ल्स होंगे, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इज अ बॉय देन बोथ द चिल्ड्रन आर गर्ल्स, वो तो पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है। सो हियर फर्स्ट इवेंट ए अकर्स, then event B occurs, so it is denoted by B upon A। पहले यहाँ पर इवेंट A हुआ, उसकी कंडीशन पर इवेंट B हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड B अपॉन A। आप उसको B अपॉन A कह सकते हैं। Here event A occurs, then event B occurs, so it is denoted by B upon A। Now law of conditional probability, P of B upon A, that is P of A intersection B upon P of A। P of A intersection B है 1/4 और P of A है 2/4, 4 कट, that is 1/2। So here repeat, a family having 2 children is selected, so any family having 2 children, so there are 4 sample space, BB both are boys, BG GB GG, n is equal to 4। Event A, that first child is a girl, so first child is a girl, so favorable outcomes of event A, that 2। In GB first child is a girl and GG first child is a girl। Event B, both children are girls, so GG that is 1, so P of B M upon N, that is 1/4। Now we have to find common between A and B, so GG is a common between A and B, so event A and event B both occurs together, that is called A intersection B। P of A intersection B, that is 1/4। Now here the word is given, if the first child is a girl, first child is a girl means event A, then the probability that both the children in the family are girls, तो फर्स्ट इवेंट A हो रहा है और उसकी कंडीशन भी इवेंट B हो रहा है। फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इज अ गर्ल मीन्स इवेंट A occurs, then both the children are girls, so first event A occurs, then event B occurs, so it is denoted by B upon A। So B upon A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A, so A intersection B 1/4 upon P of A 2/4, 4 cut, so answer is 1/2। Example number 2, two six-faced balanced dice are thrown simultaneously, if the sum of numbers on both the dice is more than 7, then find the probability that both the dice show same numbers. So two six-faced balanced dice tossed together. So on each dice there are 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if we tossed two dice together, so 6 square that is 36 event and two dice that is independent events. क्योंकि फर्स्ट डाइस पर क्या मिलेगा उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटीज पे सेकंड डाइस पर क्या मिलेगा उसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट 36 इवेंट. टू 6-faced dice tossed together. Now the sample space of random experiment means total outcomes U 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. So total outcomes of sample space that is 36. Now here what? If the sum of numbers on the both the dice is more than 7, then so in this example if and then word is given. So whenever if and then word is given, it clearly suggests that it is a conditional probability. So first we take sum of the both the dice is more than 7, that is event A ले लेते उसको. Event A sum on sum of numbers on both dice is more than 7. So the favorable outcomes of event A, the sum of the numbers on the both the dice is more than 7. 1 6 total, that is 7, but here more than 7 is required. 2 6 that is 8, 3 5 8, 3 6 9, 4 4 8, 4 5 9, 4 6 10, 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6, 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. क्योंकि more than 7 मतलब आप 7 भी नहीं ले सकते, more than 7 लेना पड़ेगा. So 2 6 3 5 3 6 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. So total event 1 2 3 4 5 10 and 15 events, that it clearly suggests that the total on the both dice, that is more than 7 50. So probability of event A, that is m upon n, that is 15 upon 36. Now then find the probability that both the dice show same numbers. So we take event B. So both dice so same number. So both the dice show same number, मतलब दोनों dice पर same number होना चाहिए. So favorable outcomes of event B, 1 1 that is same, 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So favorable outcomes of event B, m is equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So 6 event. So probability of event B, that is m upon n, that is 6 5 36. अब आपको ये सोचना है कि एनीथिंग कॉमन बिटवीन ए एंड बी, ए और बी के अंदर कुछ कॉमन है. इवेंट ए एंड बी अकर्स टुगेदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, सम ऑफ नंबर्स on both dice is more than 7 and both dice show same number. Sum of numbers on both dice is more than 7 and both the dice show same number, means event A and event B both occurs together. जैसे common event लेने पड़ेगी, that is 4 4 in event A and event B. 5 5 is common and 6 6 is also common. So there are 3 events that is common between A and B. So A intersection B. So favorable outcomes, that is 4 4 5 5 6 6. M is equal to 3. So P of A intersection B is equal to M upon N, that is 3 upon 36. अब आपको रीड करना है कौन सा इवेंट फर्स्ट हो रहा है. तो रीड दिस. If the sum of numbers on the both dice is more than 7, if sum of numbers on the both dice is more than 7 means first event A occurs, then find the probability that both the dice show same number. Both the dice show same number. मतलब फर्स्ट इवेंट ए अकर्स, देन इवेंट बी अकर्स. तो पहले इवेंट ए हुआ, उसकी कंडीशन पर इवेंट बी हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बी अपॉन ए. हियर फर्स्ट इवेंट ए अकर्स, then event B occurs. It is denoted by B upon A. Now we are applying the law of conditional probability. So here P of B upon A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. Now we put the value here. A intersection B, that is 3 by 36, and P of A, that is 15 by 36. 36 कट. सो 3 by 15, अगर आपको दोनों साइड 3 से डिवाइड करना है तो कम हो सकता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. 1 by 5. So here 2 6 faced dice tossed together. On each dice there are 6 events. But if we tossed 2 dice, 6 square means 36 events. Event A, that sum of numbers on both the dice is more than 7. So 2 6 total 8, that is more than 7. 3 5 3 6 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. These all events are total, that is more than 7. 15 events. Event B, both the dice show same number. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6. 6 by 36. Now we find common between A and B. Sum of numbers on both dice is more than 7 means event A, and both the dice show same number means event B. Event A and event B both occurs together, that is called A intersection B. So 4 4 5 5 6 6 4 4 5 5 6 6. 3 events are common. So 3 by 36. Here sum of numbers on the both the dice is more than 7 means first event A happens, then both the dice show same number means event A की हो रहा है, उसकी कंडीशन में इवेंट B हो रहा है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड B अपॉन A. फर्स्ट इवेंट A occurs, then event B occurs. B upon A, that is P of A intersection B upon P of A. 3 by 36 upon P of A, 15 by 36. 36 cut. So 3 by 15 or 1 by 5. Example number 3. Among the various vehicle owners visiting a petrol pump, 80% vehicle owners visit to fill petrol in their vehicle. 60% vehicle owners visit fill air in their vehicles. 50% vehicle owners visit to fill air and petrol in their vehicle. Find the probability for the following events. So here vehicle owners visiting a petrol pump. So vehicle owner fill petrol in their vehicle. So probability is given, that is 80%. Percentage is given. So if we convert percentage in probability, so we all know that percentage is always dependent on 100 and probability, so minimum value that is 0 and maximum value 1. So 80% divided by 100 that is 0.8. अगर कोई परसेंटेज के अंदर प्रोबेबिलिटी है तो आपको मालूम है कि परसेंटेज 100 पे डिपेंड होते हैं, तो उसको आप 100 में डिवाइड कर दो तो आपको 0.8 प्रोबेबिलिटी मिल जाएगी, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम वैल्यू प्रोबेबिलिटी की 1 है, 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती। 60% व्हीकल ओनर्स विजिट टू फिल एयर। So 60% vehicle owner visit to fill air. So we take as an event B. So 60% divided by 100, that is 0.6. 50% vehicle owners fill air and petrol both in their vehicles, mean event A and event B both occur together. That is A intersection B. So 3 event already given here. So here we take example number 3. So event A, that is vehicle owner fill. So vehicle owner fill petrol in their vehicle. So 80% means divided by 100, that is 0.8. Event B, vehicle owners fill air in their vehicle. So that is P of B. So 60% vehicle owners, 0.6. 50% vehicle owner visit to fill air and petrol. Petrol means event A and air means event B. तो 50% व्हीकल ऑनर्स ऐसे हैं जो आपके व्हीकल के अंदर पेट्रोल और एयर दोनों के लिए आ रहे हैं. सो हियर इवेंट ए एंड इवेंट बी बोथ अकर्स टुगेदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. इवेंट ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. Vehicle owners fill petrol and air in their vehicle. So 50% is given. So 50 upon 100, that is 0.5. और फर्स्ट आंसर क्या चाहिए वो दे. if a vehicle owner comes to fill petrol in his vehicle, then that vehicle owner fill air in his vehicle. So if any vehicle owners has to come fill petrol, तो पेट्रोल के लिए आ रहा है जो इवेंट ए है, देन दिस व्हीकल ओनर फील एयर इन द व्हीकल. सो फर्स्ट इवेंट ए अकर्स, देन इवेंट बी अकर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड बी अपॉन ए, क्योंकि वो पेट्रोल पंप की विजिट करता है पेट्रोल के लिए, मतलब फर्स्ट इवेंट ए हो रहा है, उसकी कंडीशन पर इवेंट बी हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बी अपॉन ए. सो हियर if a vehicle owner fill petrol then he fill air in his vehicle. So here first event A occurs, then event B occurs, that is called B upon A. It is denoted by B upon A. Formula B upon A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. 0.5 अपॉन 0.8. अगर आपको डिवाइड करना है तो आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो, इट डजेंट मैटर. सो 0.5 अपॉन 0.8 या सेकंड आंसर इज रिक्वायर्ड. इफ अ व्हीकल ऑनर if a vehicle owner fill air then he fill petrol in his vehicle. So if a vehicle owner fill air, then he fill petrol in his vehicle. So vehicle owner fill air means event B. Then he fill petrol, that is event B. अगर कोई vehicle owner पेट्रोल पंप की विजिट करता है to fill air in his vehicle, then he fill petrol. क्योंकि मेन पर्पज उसका एयर है, मीन्स इवेंट बी है. सो हियर फर्स्ट बी अकर्स, देन इवेंट ए अकर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए अपॉन बी. सो हियर इवेंट बी अकर्स, देन event A occurs. It is denoted by A upon B. As per law of condition probability, P of A upon B, that is P of A intersection B upon P of A. A intersection B, that is 0.5 upon 0.6. Now in this example, event A, vehicle owners fill petrol. So 80% vehicle owner visit a petrol pump to fill petrol. So we take as a event A 80%. तो 80 upon 100 आपको डिवाइड नहीं करना है तो भी चलेगा, 80 upon 100 भी चलेगा. Event B, vehicle owner fill air in their vehicle. So 60% vehicle owner visit a petrol pump to fill air in his vehicle. Then A intersection B, vehicle owner fill petrol and air in their vehicle. So petrol means event A, air means event B. Event A and B both occur together. that is called A intersection B. So in this example there are two types of condition is given. If a vehicle owner fill petrol, so vehicle owner fill petrol, that is event A, then he fill air in his vehicle, so here event A occurs, then event B occurs, so it is called A intersection B. So B upon A here. So पेट्रोल के लिए आ रहा है, देन ही फिल एयर मीन्स इवेंट ए की कंडीशन पर इवेंट बी हो रहा है. फर्स्ट इवेंट ए अकर्स, देन इवेंट बी अकर्स. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय बी अपॉन ए. सो पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी अपॉन पी ऑफ ए 0.5 upon 0.8. If a vehicle owner fill air, then he fill petrol in his vehicle. So vehicle owner fill air. Air means event B. Then he fill petrol in his vehicle. तो यहाँ पर event B first हो रहा है. Then event A occurs. That is called A upon B. That is P of A intersection B upon P of B. A intersection B है 0.5 और P of B है आपके पास 0.6.